Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we are discussing about the topic one child, one teacher, one book, one pen. Okay, and in the previous video I have to explain it. So if you have not watched the video, then go to the my channel and watch out the first part of the uh, chapter. And now I am going to explain the second part of the chapter. So listen carefully. So in the beginning, you know about that. Here is the Malala Yousafzai who writes a autobiography. I am Malala, and here she also mentioned about the Pakistan's life and UK lives. Okay, so in this steps she tell us many of the things that happen in her life, and then you have to see what will happen in her life when a lady will given the help by her mother. Okay, I know my mother is lonely. She was very sociable. All the women of the neighborhood used to gather in the afternoon on our back porch, and women who worked in other houses came to rest. Now she is always on the phone to everyone back home. It's hard to her here as she does not speak any English. Our house has all these facilities, but when she arrived, they were all mysterious to her, and someone had to show us how to use the oven, washing machine, and TV. So now the Yusuf Malala Ji says that here is her mother. It means in the UK her mother was very lonely, live in a lonely, and she was very sociable. It means she always happy to meet someone or many of the person in the Pakistan, and all the women of the neighborhood used to gather in the afternoon on her back's porch. Okay, porch means yard. It is a small garden, and women who worked in other houses, they also came there and rest there with her mothers and talking about a lot of the matter. And she is always on the phone, but here is the condition is different for her. Why? Because in the Pakistan many of the women coming in the porch, it means yard, and talking with her mother with a long time. But in the UK there are no any neighborhood that came in the yard or a garden and talking with her. Okay, but here is only one the assistant, that was the phone. And when she talking to neighborhood in the Pakistan, they always saying to my it means her mothers that came back at the Pakistan. Okay, and in the UK she is not know about the English language, so many of the person uh, so her mother did not talk to the others neighbors or in a UK. Okay, but many of the facility in her home, just like that, gas, TV, washing machine, fridge, etc. are the facility he get in UK. And her mothers live in simple life in the Pakistan, but here he did not know anything about the modern things. So many of the person, it means someone came to her home and tell him how to use oven, washing machine, TV, etc. are the modern things. Okay, now next paragraph. As usual, my father doesn't help in the kitchen. I teach him, Abba, you talk of women's rights, but my mother manages everything. You don't even clear the tea things. Okay, so in the next paragraph he says about his father's behavior, and here he teach her father many time. And he says to his father that he usually, it means his father does not help in the kitchen with the mother. Okay, her mother. And but here her father always talking about the women rights, and he joined the many assembly, he participate in many assembly, many rallies, but there he always tell, it means her father tell them about the women's right, but in the home he never helped, he never helped in the kitchen with her mother. So that Malala always teach to her father, and uh, and she says too that her mother always manage everything in the room, in the kitchen, in the every everything that is the possible in home. Okay, but her father didn't even the clear the tea things. Okay, it means he never make a tea in the house. Okay, now next paragraph, there are buses and trains but we are unsure about using them. My mother misses going shopping in China Bazaar. She is happier since my cousin Shah came to stay. He has a car and takes her shopping, but it's not the same as she can't talk to her friends and neighbors about what she bought. Okay, now next, Malala says the quality of his mother, and she says that in the UK there are a lot of the bus and trains in the on the road, but her mother is not sure, it means he is no sure about the using of them, it means train and bus, and her mother missing misses going to shopping in China Bazaar, it means many times he wanted to go and wanted to shopping of the things in the China Bazaar market, but he always misses it due to the trains, no use of the train and buses. Okay, but here is the one thing is good for her mother, that Malala's cousin named Shah always came, always it means some of the time he came to stay at Malala's home, and he has a car and take her, it means Shah takes her mothers in the market for the shopping. Okay, but it's not the same as the can't talk to her friends and neighbors about what she bought. Okay, but in the Pakistan, when she buying or purchasing some of the things that is the important for her, after the purchasing she came at home and showing the neighbors and telling about the things, its price, etc., or the many things. But in the UK there is nothing, anyone else who, any person that he she tells about the things quality or the price of the things, etc., or the things is not here to share the neighborhood. Okay, and now next paragraph, a door bangs in the house and my mother jumps. She jumps these days at the slightest noise. The often cries then huge me, Malala is alive. She says now she treats me as if I was her youngest rather than eldest child. Okay, so here she also tell about her mother that nowadays, it means in the UK, when the doorbell rings loudly, after the hearing the sound of the doorbell, she jumped from the chairs or beds, and she jumps these day at the slightly noise. Okay, it means any kind of the noise will came from anywhere, she jumps slightly noise. Okay, slightly, it means any noise she jumped and wake up, stand up from their place. But in the previous day, it means the life in the Pakistan, when the many of the person will came in the how in her house, then she always cry, always screaming to the Malala is alive. Okay, Malala is alive. So Malala went to the open the door, but nowadays she treats Malala as he was her youngest rather than eldest child. Okay, it means she not means her Malala was her little child. He treats her as a eldest child. Okay. Now next paragraph. I know my father cries too. Her cries when I push my hair to the side and he sees the scare on my head, and he cries when he wakes from an afternoon nap to hear his children's voices in the garden and realizes with relief that one of them is still mine. He knows people says it's his fault that I was short, that he pushed me to speak up like a tennis dad trying to create a champion, as if I don't have my own mind. It's hard for me, all the work for over almost 20 years has been left behind. The school he built up from nothing, which now has three buildings with the 1100 pupils and 70 teachers. I know he left proud of what he had created. A poor boy from that narrow village become the black and white mountain. Okay. Now next, the Yusuf Malala says that about his fathers. Okay, in the previous passage she tells about her mother, and now he tells about her fathers, that he know his father is cries too. It means nowadays his father is not happy. Why? Because he cries when I push my hair to the side and he sees the scare on my head, and he cries when he wakes from an afternoon nap to hear his children's voices in the garden and realizes it. It means someone attack on the Yusuf Malala jail in Pakistan, and this is the very uh, bad dream bad dream for her father. And when he saw, when Malala pushed her hair to the side, then her father see the scare on her head, and he looking this scare, she became unhappy and start to cry. Okay, and when in the afternoon when he nap means a light sleeping. Okay, not deep sleeping, it means light sleeping. When he takes nap in the afternoon, and after the hearing the voice of the children, he wakes up. Okay, and uh, and go to the garden to seeing what will happen. Okay, and releases with relief that one of them is still mine. Okay, and when he saw in the garden that Malala was present in the garden, then he became relief, or he getting the relax after seeing her daughters. Okay, and he know people say that his fault. It means many of the time the people encourage her father that it is your daughter fault. It means she is not uh, according to the society. So this is the matter. Many he situated, he feel that, and I was shocked that he pushed me to speak up like a tennis dad trying to create a champion. Means a parent pushing her or his child to excel. It means her father always encourage her daughter to do best. Okay, and he don't have my own mind, it's hard for him. Okay, it means in the in her society the woman is not became the creativity, and she, it means the woman is not involved in any movement at that time. But here this condition is very hard for her father, and he never mind this type of the condition, and all he worked for over almost 20 years. Okay, and he doing some of the hard work, and this work will be the, he create a school and built a school, and that school has a near about 1100 pupils and 17 teachers. And now the Malala says that he know very well that what kind of the proud he failed. Okay, and what he had created, it means what is his creating creativity. Okay, a poor boy from that narrow village between the black and white mountain, it means at in the Pakistan there are no allowed to teach girls, but her father, okay, her father always create a movement for the girls, that he get the education in the Pakistan and complete her dream. Okay, and that condition, and that cause she create, it means he built a building of the school and teach many of the girls in her school, and that is the feeling of the proud. Okay, and the Malala said that I know the feeling of the proud that he built or he created, means her father create in the Pakistan. Okay, so you have to see here, mahalla means an area in the village or a town. Abba is a means father, that saying in the Pakistan or a Muslim Muslim category. Okay, and jumps here is the make a sudden movement because of surprising or fear. It means when the bell door ring or bang, then her mother became scared or jumping sudden. Okay, and he became surprised. A tennis a dad trying to create a champions, a parents pushing her or his father's his child to excel. It means he make her child to creativity. Okay, so this is the second part of the video. In the next part we have to uh, read about the rest of the parts. Okay, so thank you for the watching video. We meet in the next video. Clear?